ABC7 Eyewitness News Sunday morning starts right now.
And up next, easy and affordable ways to create more organization at home. We have a local expert with us to show you some things you can do.
Looking to be more productive at home and make better use of your time?
Always.
I know it doesn't
Always.
sound like a bad idea at all whatsoever. The key could be as simple as organizing your house.
Or so my wife always says. So what is the best way to get started? Scott Dresner is a design expert on do-it-yourself techniques. He joins us live. Good morning.
Hi, how you doing?
Oh, we are so good, Scott. So tell us, New Year's resolutions, probably one of the big ones is to organize your home. What are some easy things people can do to actually make a dent in that New Year's resolution?
Well, when you're planning your home, you could never have too much storage. It's the most important thing that we have. And to use storage in our small homes, you need to use every inch of space. So if you have little corners you can turn into your laundry room and then hide them, you know, so it looks like cabinetry, then it doesn't feel like you have so many rooms. Also, there's a lot of space-saving things that you can do and keep things organized and light up your areas so that you can see everything clearly. Also, try to keep everything that you use at the same time together. So, you know, if you're going to use your paper plates and your glasses, you can keep it all together. And if you want to have a baking drawer, you can organize that also so you can keep it all the same.
All right, Scott, I'm very impressed. You're opening up all those drawers. Everything looks absolutely perfect. Is this your home, or is it a home where you went in and changed it because it was so bad?
No, this is my home, and this is the way we live because we have to show America that you can be organized. And there's easy ways to do it. And we have this wonderful thing called the internet that sells all these fantastic things to organize yourself. And all you got to do is be motivated to do so.
Okay, so you are in the kitchen now. It is beautiful and very organized. Is there a way to make it that organized and to upgrade your kitchen maybe without breaking the bank?
Yes, it is. There are companies out there, like I said, on the internet that sell all these parts and pieces, and you could make your kitchen look like this. All you got to do is surf on the net.
Okay, when you say surf on the net, though, when we're talking about your drawers, they are so organized. They have dividers. Those look like they're professionally made. If someone out there is like, okay, this sounds like a wonderful idea, Scott, but I don't want to spend that much money. Is there a way you could do it? Maybe without spending, I know Mark was asking this, but like really on the cheaper side, quite a bit cheaper side?
Yes, sure. There are stores out there. The Container Store sells excellent divider systems that are inexpensive and they don't break the bank. And it's just having the motivation to change and to want to live your life this way and to also purge. It's the New Year's, and you don't need 7 can openers. You need what you need, and try to give them away. And we have kids, so let's give them to the kids.
All right, so Scott, how do you tackle the nightmare closet?
How do you tackle the nightmare closet? Look at the idea behind closets are that they need to be cleaned and they need to be purged. And the best way is to start out every year, store your stuff in the winter in a different closet, put your stuff in the summer when you have it in the summer, and switch out so you can, you know, make your closets not look like they're a mess all the time.
All right, Scott, thank you so much for your time today. We appreciate it. Thanks for showing us. And, okay, recap.
You're welcome. Thank you very much.
Make sure everything is in the place that you need it to be for you, and use all the space you can. Thank you, Scott. We're going to post a lot more about these tips on our website, ABC7chicago.com.